channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today, you know what guys, armies, I was not planning to shoot any video today, but our beloved Bangtan Sonyeondan dropped the Dynamite choreography MV, and initially I was like, okay, let me just watch it, but I thought, I don't know what came in my mind, I thought, let me react to it. It's fine. Let me just react to it because I've already seen the dance practice video, so I know what is the choreography. But I was really not expecting BTS to drop the Dynamite choreography MV, and I am of course super excited. So yes, let's just start because anything BTS related. And I just need an excuse to watch RM dance in that blue hair. So. Alright, play. Oh, the main MV has crossed 400 million views today itself, right? So, yay! Congrats, armies! Get it to 500 million before Jimin's birthday. Otherwise, I am not doing Jimin special. Okay, I will do. Okay.
Cause I ain't the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a
man, these kicks are another level.
When I'm walking home, jump up to the top of LeBron. Ding dong, call me on my phone.
Oh, I love this part.
Ping pong.
Thank you, stylist, whoever you are, for making Namjoon wear the half shorts. Everybody's wearing the full pants, and thank you. Whoever you are, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love that transition. In the dance practice also, I loved it. Wait, again, sorry. Woo! Hobby! I've tried to learn the choreography, that's why I know a bit of the choreography. I love doing that. I love how Jimin is so smooth. I love how he just comes like, this part is so beautiful when Jimin comes in the front and everybody switches the place. So elegant. Look at that. Beautiful. Jimin is beautiful. Jimin equals beauty, inside and out. Don't you agree, armies? All of them. Jimin looks so good in this step.
Bring a friend, join the crowd. Whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just move right up the wall.
Sorry, I again paused because I want to say something. Taeyang is so stylish. He can just wear like a garbage bag also and it'll look stylish on him. Look at like how simple his clothing is. I love how simple and just with the hat, just beautiful. This human being is beautiful. All are beautiful. I just love how effortlessly Taeyang can carry off any clothing, any kind of clothing. You know what my wish is? I seriously, sincerely wish that ahead of their careers, whenever, I mean, of course, they are not going to remain as a band forever. Their contracts will end one day. I really wish Taeyang to open his own fashion line. I would love that. I mean, he really should. He has a great sense of fashion, I feel.
Skies are light, so we dance to the breakdown. Ladies and
Woo, Jimin!
Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire and set the night light. Hey. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Light it up like dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Jin! I love Jin. Jin is a sweetheart. And now when I see Jin in the center, it makes me very, 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 very happy. Oh wow. He's the most adorable young ever.
Na-na-na-na-na. Light it up like dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Light it up like dynamite. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight. So watch me
I love how they have been styled. I just love it. And see the way they have been styled, it really suits their personality. Like nobody's looking off. Like the clothes that they're wearing suits their personality somehow, you know?
shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. This is so watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite.
Yes, this is what I love. This is what I wanted. Thank you whoever has made this MV. I wanted this part of instead of the glasses, I wanted this one to be there at the end when Taeyang does this. That was in the B side. Okay, great. I need to first close the screen. Okay. So yes, I loved it. I knew what the choreography was. You saw, I have learned. You know me matching the steps, so you guys know ARMYs how many times I would have watched the dance practice video because sort of know the choreography. So yeah, that was my reaction to Dynamite official MV, the choreography version. I love it. I really did not expect them to drop any video so soon, but I'm really happy. I love how Big Hit is just promoting Dynamite all out. Can you believe, like, in this pandemic also they are feeding us so much content? I love that. And it really shows that BTS, I mean, they're really missing doing the concerts. They seem desperate to get out and meet the ARMYs and do the concert. I think I saw the notice, and because I'm finally there on Weverse, so I saw the notice yesterday from Big Hit labels that they were planning an offline concert there in Seoul in Korea, and then they just cancelled that also because of the strict COVID restrictions, because they were planning on limited seating and whatever they like, with social distancing and all, but they really then gave that up as well, and they apologized for it. But I feel so bad. Now they're going to do that online. The concert is going to happen online again. And it breaks my heart, not just for them. There's so many, like, if you see the music fraternity, all concerts everywhere have been cancelled. So it's really sad with our regular lives also. People who are doing job, we have to sit at home and do our jobs, can't go out anywhere, cannot travel. I had so many traveling plans in 2020 and all just got all just got canned. It's really sad. It's really sad. So I hope, guys, this song really lifts. This is the song which they made to lift the mood of armies, lift our moods up, lift our spirits up. I also saw the UNICEF speech that these guys gave. It was so nice. So yes, I mean, we have to keep our hopes up. We have to just sail through this time to, you know, to a better time. We have to just look forward. We cannot just, you know, be sad about it. We have to move forward and look forward. So I hope all of you are doing well and coping well with the pandemic. I know it must be really irritating sitting at home and just, you know, just see the months just go by, you know, 2020 just go by and just, you know, not achieving anything concrete. But just keep looking forward. That's what takes us ahead in life, hope. So yeah, armies, that was my reaction and my lecture. And I hope you have listened and come till the end of the video. And if you're a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.